Hey everyone, I'm Nick and welcome to the channel. Now if you've watched the channel before, you'll know that I like to buy cars cheap, and sometimes that means that their batteries are dead. So I really like to have a jump start pack on hand so I can power it on, test it out, and then see how it works. Today we're going to be checking out the Lokithor J1350 Pro, which is a lithium iron phosphate jump starter. It's the 1350 and the name comes from the 1350 peak amps that it'll output to start a car. So let's take a look at what it's like. Already, let me tell you, this is pretty light, which is nice because batteries are usually heavy, and lithium iron phosphate is really convenient because it's a little lighter and safer too. We've got a manual, and we have the jump starter itself. The green accents are a nice pop of color, but because I film with a green screen, they show up as orange during my unboxing. It's very compact already. Feels good. Nice bright display. Partially charged, but I'll charge it before we use it, and it has a flashlight. Now this also can serve as a battery bank, which is very convenient as well. Actually, if I hold the flashlight button, it will power on. It's very bright, and there's different modes. It has strobe and SOS, so in an emergency you can just pop this down. That's convenient, and it powers back off. We have a output here, and then over here we have the inputs and outputs, USB-A output and USB-C output. So in a pinch you could charge your phone off this or any other device. On the back we have a little table that shows you what everything means. So over temperature protection, low temperature protection, any faults, reverse polarity if you connect it to the battery wrong, reminder to charge. So there's a couple specs that are written on here. It has a 700 amp starting current with a peak current of 1350. You can store it from -20 Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, and you can use it between -20 Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. And it also says the service span is over 2,000 charging cycles, which is really good. Now let's see what else is included. We have a carrying pouch, a nice logo, the jump starter leads. So these plug in right here. It's also keyed, so it will only plug in one way. Can't get it mixed up. There we go. 2 clamps, spring-loaded, the copper teeth. That is nice. And a couple cables. So we have USB-A to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C. Now you can use these to charge the jump starter. And as I mentioned earlier, these are both outputs, but the USB-C port is also the charging input. So this is what you would plug into to charge the battery. Now a couple specs on your charging outputs. The USB-A port will charge at 18 watts and the USB-C is power delivery 30 watts. So if you have a fast charging phone, this will charge fast. It's very convenient as well. Let's take a quick look in the manual. You got safety instructions, specs. So now that we've seen what's included, let's go see it in action and jump start a car. While I was charging it, I noticed it displays the power it's charging with. This will depend on the charger you use, but it's a really cool feature. So this is a Mini Cooper S that's part of a project that's coming to the channel soon. It's got some goodies in the back, and if you're a Mini enthusiast, you'll know what this is. So subscribe to the channel so you don't miss this project. But we're here to jumpstart this car so I can show you how this jump pack works. Okay, so the first step in this process is we're going to clamp our positive first and our negative over here. There we go. And now I'm going to power it on. You can power it on with either the power button or the light button. There we go. It's going to do a quick countdown, and it'll tell us the voltage. This is very low. It's been sitting a while, but let's get to it. So it's detected it. Now I'm going to go try it and start it. This gearbox is trash, or the shifter. Power it on. A little rough. AC off. Now it sounds bad because there are problems, but did power on. Now this one has been sitting for quite a long time, and that's why it didn't start right away. And that's it. And when you're done, just press the button. Oh, if you want to dim it, you can press the button. But if you want to power it off, just press and hold. And we're good. Take it off. Alright, so it started it, no problem. As you can see, it's low on gas too, so I'm gonna shut this off. And it's dead, of course, as expected. Alright, so this battery is a 650 cold cranking amps, and we just started a 1.6 liter supercharged inline 4, and this handled it with no problem. I think the difficulty we had to crank it twice because this has been sitting quite a long time because I haven't got to that project yet. Now a 4-cylinder 1.6 is, pretty small engine, but let's go see how this handles a 5-liter V8 with a dead battery. So this is my 2004 Mercedes S-Class that I've been working on. The video just came out Monday, and I accidentally left the key in the ignition while I was doing that job, so the battery's dead. All right, so in the trunk in this car, that's where the battery is. I'm gonna pop the panel over here. Clip the positive terminal on here. Clip the negative on in here. Power this on. Let's see. 10, 9, 8, 2. Okay. Oh, that's bad. Okay. Wow, I really ruined this one, huh? Get in the car, put the key in the ignition. Here, you turn it off. Let's turn it back on. It should read 14.2. Yep, so it's charging. There we go. So this is a 5-liter engine. This battery is 900 cold cranking amps, so it's probably a little bit over the suggested size for this pack, but we did get it to work. So now we've jump started 2 cars. Both of them, we need to crank them twice. And we've only dropped 1 bar on the charge. Now the last thing we can do is use this as a battery bank. I'm gonna grab the included cable here. I'm gonna pop this in to USB-C. Grab a phone, plug it in. Super fast charging right here. 40 minutes till full. And we can watch this right now, see how many watts the phone is drawing. I'm doing 21, and that's probably what the phone is requesting. So this will go up to 30, and you see here it's a little different than when we charged it. It's got a little negative because we're drawing wattage. So that's pretty cool. And about 40 minutes, this will be full. That is super convenient. So that's the Lokithor J1350 Pro. I really like that it's so compact and it's very convenient, a lot more convenient than having jumper cables and relying on someone else's car to get yours started. It's also really nice that you can use it as a battery pack or a flashlight in a pinch. I want to say a big thank you to Lokithor for sending this to me to review, and they also make larger capacity versions with bigger outputs for bigger engines, if that's what you need as well. If you want to get one for yourself, I'll leave links in the video description. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, or you want to watch me work on cheap European cars, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.